CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or is it not? Watch this quick and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Ultimately, how things are looking like for me is that this is a very beautiful and solid bullish market. I'm still looking to buy, but I'll show you when and how, because I'm not going to immediately be buying. All that happened with CRCL is that I began buying when it was 76 bucks, right? Right around when it opened, when we had limited amount of data, I was aiming for 104 if there was a double break. And there you go. 6th of June, when the video was made, then we started freaking, got like 3 longs in a row. And then we freaking reached 300 bucks, right? I got like plus 9R on this movement. Could have made a lot more, honestly, but I was distracted, let's say. And then after I got this shift here, yes, higher time frame swing, I'm looking for longs. But most importantly, I'm not going to be randomly buying. And basically, unless I see a proper double break above 158 and then the second range that follows, I'm not going to be buying this market. You know, market is fractal. And in this case, this could be a textbook trade if the thing really wants to pump up. Right? So I would much rather just get involved while the price is already going 60 miles per hour rather than trying to like reinvent the wheel. So that being said, if you want to stay tuned and get free stock picks and emails and insights daily, click the first link in the description, it's free.